Can we find a positive slant in the data? Yes, we can. August is finally over, and guess what, guys? History says a massive rally is coming soon. Now, there is a caveat because we're going to go through the data. We might have to sit through some pain before this historic potential rally. Let's go ahead and look at the data first and cover where we have been. The easiest way to do that is looking at the big money index. You guys know this is the best indicator out there. When money is flowing into stocks, this yellow line is accelerating. Until we get into these areas of congestion, this is the overbought periods, buying tends to not last there forever. Markets tend to fall shortly thereafter. Same thing happens when we get oversold. That's unsustainable selling. When there is a lot of selling, it's a great time to go shopping for stocks. So what happened in August? Well, listen, traders were on vacation. Kids were out of school, right? So they're not focused on trading, and therefore volumes, they fall. And that's what we've been seeing in the data. The BMI has been under pressure for some time. Now, this big rally that is supposed to come, we still have to get through one hurdle, and that is September. So here I've plotted our daily volumes. This is stock volumes and ETF volumes. These are relative to the instrument. Why this is important is because August tends to have some of the weakest volumes all year. You can see that with these yellow spikes. This is August, and then this is August. This is from 2022. Notice that in September, we see a huge elevation in trading volumes. When volumes start to expand, volatility picks up, and that just means stocks can move around a lot. People are back in the office. They're ready to make their bets. So before a potential historic rally, you do want to expect some weakness in September. And in fact, I believe the stats show going back 100 years, maybe it's 90 years, September is the month that is negative on average for the Dow Jones. In the last two Septembers, you can see the market has been negative. So we'll see what happens in 2023. But you got to turn that frown upside down because history says there is a huge rally that is coming. So here's what I did. I went back, and there's something special about 2023. It is a pre-election year. That means in 2024, we're going to have the big presidential election. Well, what tends to happen in pre-election years is pretty awesome. You could see here going back to 1990 all the way through 2019. I've pulled all pre-election year monthly returns for the S&P 500. Here's what's interesting about it. August, typically weak, 1.2%. September, also typically weak of negative 0.8%. But that is where the negative story ends and the real story begins, because in October, your average gain for the S&P is 4.4%. November is a wash, and then December ignites another average gain of 3.1%. So look, a lot of people are bearish. Don't be bearish. These seasonal tailwinds, they have worked in the past. Chances are they will work in the future. You guys, don't be bearish. Take the bear suits off. We will see you guys next time.